Hi everyone, welcome back to TechPulse. So in today's video, we will learn that how can we run C or C++ inside VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Guys, you can use this tutorial for both languages, whether you want to run C or C++ inside VS Code. This tutorial will work for both of these cases. So let's start our tutorial. Open Google Chrome. First of all, we will download the MinGW. Just write in the browser MinGW. Click on this first entry. Click on download. And here our MinGW is downloaded. Open folder and click on it. Now install it. Keep this directory default and everything else default too. Click on continue and now it is downloading. Also guys, these whole packages of MinGW, different packages, the downloading and installation of these packages would take good amount of time. It will be based upon your internet connection, internet speed, but still, even with a good internet, they take some good amount of time. So be patient in the download of these packages, download and the installation of these packages. Now click on continue. Now select these packages which I am selecting. Mark for installation and mark for installation, mark for installation, mark for installation. So these are the packages you need to select. Now click on installation and apply changes. Now this here download packaging and the installation of packages, this will take some good amount of time, so wait patiently. And now while these packages are downloading, let me show you that what we need to do next. We will install VS Code. Just click here, VS Code, and click on this VS Code and click on download for Windows and click on start download. Also our MinGW packages are downloading in the background. Just for the sake of fast tutorial, I am doing the things side by side. You can first complete this download and then you can download the VS Code, or vice versa. You can first download the VS Code and then download the MinGW. It's up to you guys. And well, our VS Code is also downloaded, so we'll install it after we have sorted these packages of MinGW. And now our packages are downloaded, and they are now extracting. Once these packages are completely extracted, our MinGW installation is completed. And here guys, you can see all changes are applied successfully. You may now close this dialog. All our files have completely extracted. So now we'll close this and also close this installation manager. Now we'll go into environment variables and click on it and click on this path option here. Here we'll give the path of MinGW in the system environmental variables. In order to find that path, go into your local disk C. Here we have installed our MinGW. Click on it, bin, and from here copy this path and paste this path here inside the environmental variables. Click on new and just paste this path here. Click on OK and OK, and that's it. Now our VS Code which we downloaded, now we will install it. So we'll go into our downloads folder, VS Code setup, change its directory. You can keep the default directory too, but I will advise you to change its directory. And here click on local disk C, and inside this root directory the folder Microsoft VS Code will automatically be created. If it does not create for you, then you can also create this folder yourself by just writing a folder name here. Just type your folder name in this box and that folder will be created. And click on OK and next create a desktop icon, next install. And guys, our Visual Studio is now installed. Let's open it. And now go here inside extensions, search here C++ and click on this C++ extension pack by Microsoft. Install it. And here guys, our extension pack is installed. Now type here code runner and download this extension. Click on install, trust the publisher and install. This extension will help you in running the code. It will make it a bit easier. Now click here, Explorer, open folder, go to any directory in which you want to create your project folder. I will just create it on the desktop and I'll name it project. You can name it anything. Click on select folder and here create a new file. Name the file anything you want actually. I will just name it file. Write here the extension of the type of the language which you want to use here. If you are using the C language, just write here C. In my case, I will be using C++, so for that the extension is CPP, and here the file is created. So guys, just for the sake of the tutorial, I already have a code written of C++. You can write any type of code of C++ you want. I will just run this code for the sake of an example. Paste it here. And now guys, before running the code, make sure you have saved this updated file. Just press Ctrl plus S from your keyboard and this file will be saved. And now just right click and click on the run code. And here you can see, hi everyone, welcome to TechPulse. Our code's output is shown. You can recheck it, click on run code. And again, hi everyone, welcome to TechPulse. Here you can see this G++ temp code runner file. It is showing that our MinGW is running properly. And well guys, this was pretty much it from this video. I hope every step was clear and you guys understood the video and the tutorial properly. At any point, if there was any query or any problem you are facing in this setup, you can ask your queries down in the comment section. I will try my best to reply those queries. And again, thanks for watching this video. The download link of MinGW which we downloaded in this video will be provided down in the description. You can download MinGW from there too, and also the VS Code. The link of VS Code will also be down in the description. And guys, if you are finding these videos helpful, so please support the channel, like these videos and subscribe the channel. And well, this was pretty much it. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.